channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful landscape using watercolors. I will also tell you the adventurous life story of Sarah. Sunlight dappled through the towering redwoods, casting dancing shadows on the forest floor. I, Sarah, skipped ahead of my parents, drawn by the melody of a hidden bird. The air vibrated with life, buzzing insects, and the distant murmur of a stream. My 10-year-old heart brimmed with excitement, the forest whispering promises of adventure. Suddenly, the path vanished. I whirled around, searching for my parents, but they were gone. Panic clawed at my throat. I called out, my voice swallowed by the dense foliage. Tears welled up, blurring the already fading sunlight. Fear turned my legs to lead, but I forced myself to move, following the memory of sunlight filtering through the leaves. The forest floor became a labyrinth of fallen branches and tangled undergrowth. Thorns ripped at my clothes, and the air grew heavy with the scent of damp earth and decay. As twilight descended, casting long, ominous shadows, I stumbled upon a fallen log. Exhausted and tear-streaked, I curled up, clutching the necklace with my mother's initials, the only comfort in the growing darkness. The night was a symphony of unknown sounds, rustling leaves, the hoot of an owl, the distant howl of a creature I couldn't identify. Each sound sent shivers down my spine, but sleep, fueled by exhaustion, eventually claimed me. The morning sun brought a renewed sense of hope. I remembered my grandfather's stories about finding moss on the north side of a tree to identify direction. Using a fallen branch as a makeshift staff, I trekked through the sun-dappled forest, searching for the telltale green patches. Progress was slow, but every rustle of leaves rekindled the ember of hope. By midday, I stumbled upon a trickling stream. The sound was music to my ears. I remembered my father's words about following water downstream, often leading to civilization. With renewed determination, I followed the stream, my pace quickening with each passing hour. The sun began its descent again, painting the sky in fiery hues. To my utter disbelief, through the trees, I saw a wisp of smoke. My heart hammered a frantic rhythm against my ribs. With a burst of energy, I pushed through the undergrowth and emerged into a clearing. A small cabin nestled amongst the trees, smoke curling from its chimney. An old woman sat on the porch, her kind eyes crinkling with a smile. Tears streamed down my face as she took me in, offering warmth, food, and a safe haven. The woman, a herbalist named Ilara, became my temporary guardian. She tended to my scratches and soothed my anxieties with stories of the forest and her life as a solitary healer. Days turned into weeks, and my fear replaced by a sense of wonder. I learned about edible plants, recognized the calls of various birds, and even discovered a hidden grove of wild strawberries, my secret sanctuary. One evening, as Ilara sat embroidering by the firelight, a knock echoed through the cabin. My breath hitched. Ilara opened the door, and there stood my parents, their faces etched with relief and worry. The reunion was a torrent of tears and hugs. My father explained how they had scoured the forest with search teams, never giving up hope. Leaving the cabin was bittersweet. Ilara had become a friend, a mentor, and a symbol of the resilience I discovered within myself. As I walked away, hand in hand with my parents, I looked back at the clearing. The setting sun cast long shadows, but the forest no longer seemed menacing. It held the memory of fear, but also of courage, resilience, and the kindness of a stranger who became a beacon in the darkness. The forest, once a place of fear, had become a testament to the unexpected adventures life could throw your way, adventures that challenged you, tested you, and ultimately made you stronger.